Hi everyone, it's Liberty from My Pen Addiction. Today I have a very special video. So this is a mystery box that I purchased from Staples. It is a Post-it mystery box. If you like mystery box videos and want me to do more, leave a like and or leave a comment down below. It would be appreciated. But I do have other ideas for stationary mystery boxes if you guys like this type of video. So this Post-it box is supposedly 10 pounds. I weighed it, it's about 12, but my scale could be a little inaccurate. And it was purchased from Staples. Now it's normally $99, but the thing is it's almost always on sale because it fluctuates through 3 websites: Amazon, Office Depot, and Staples. So a couple weeks ago I wanted to buy it off Office Depot, went off sale the day I tried to buy it. This week I found it on Staples, so it was, again, it's almost always $50 off or goes on sale frequently. Now, it is supposedly worth a lot more, and I will read you the description momentarily. But I'm so excited. It's estimated 10,000 sheets of Post-it notes in various sizes and colors. Sheet equivalent in 3x3 size notes, and it's called the Teacher's Treasure Chest. So we'll see how it goes. It did only take a few days to get here. It's supposedly next day shipping, but I did order it on a weekend, so it wasn't next day. It came next business day, so that's great. Let me see if it ever loads. Alright, while we're waiting for this to load then, I'm just going to open the box. So it's so cute because it comes in an actual treasure box. If Staples doesn't actually open, the website won't work. I'm just going to go to Office Depot. Okay, this is kind of weird how it wants us to open it. Seems like it's... I got it. Okay. Staples is not, so I'm going to try Post-it Chest on any other website. Okay, everything is almost wrapped, basically. Okay, and sometimes Walmart has it, but it's only on sale. It's not on as good of a sale at Walmart. So I'm going to read you it from Office Depot right now, which it is on sale currently, which it was not last week, so or a few days ago. Great. It says 10-pound box. No two Post-it treasure chests are alike. Now I'd be willing to eventually try it and see, is there another one? It includes Post-it notes, Post-it flags, Post-it pockets, Post-it big pads, and more. No option for color choice available. This says it's a discount up to 60% off single pack retail pricing, and I will try to do a roundup of what it would cost individually. Okay, I can't open Staples' website, but Amazon seems to have the exact same thing. Okay, and it is ships from Office Depot if you purchase it on Amazon. I love this box. It's so cool. So let's find out. We got paper. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's a lot, but I'm not gonna show you because then it's not a mystery. Okay. I'm just gonna dig. There's literally stuff everywhere. This is cute. Okay, it's a Post-it note holder that has sticky notes. Let's open it. Or no, I'll open them all separately. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, great. Next. Let's take this bag right here. Okay, we got a bag of Post-its. Again, it's wrapped, sealed, okay. Because you know, sticky notes are expensive normally. Like if you buy a package, they are pretty expensive. So let's see. This is a lot. There's like tons of packages in here. We're just gonna let it rain sticky notes if they ever want to come out. Literally gonna be me opening packaging for so long. So this is literally all that came in this package. Like tons. So these are like 65 packs of super sticky Post-its, standard size, recyclable. I think they're all the same size. Yeah, they're all in little individuals, which is nice. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I got 12 of those in this bag. Okay. I see marble. I didn't know marble sticky notes were a thing, but they're at the bottom. Okay, now I see these are little square shaped notes. So these are 288 count square-ish notes. Cool. Right. Ooh, little cubes, note cubes. 400 note cube. Cool. Okay. Here is a 2-pack of Post-it notes, just again normal, recyclable, standard 88 count 2-pack. Alright. Oh, here's more. There is more. So these are your standard yellow 100 count 4 packs of Post-its. Cool. Ooh. Here's a Post-it like holder / pen thing. Wow. Oh, I like it. Cool. I will for sure be using that. Alright, let's see what this is. Ooh, more note cubes. So this is a 400 3-inch by 3-inch. Then we got a 400 3-inch by 3-inch. Again, the same, which I am cool with. Oh, now we got another note super sticky 490 sheet ones. I got 2 of those. So total 360 in each. Okay, we got lots of Post-its. Let's see. Oh, yay! Yay, I wanted these so bad. Okay, so these are 2 300 note lined ones, but notepads that are lined. Love, love. Alright, so we got some more note cubes. This is 400 different colors. Cool. Ooh, this one's cute. It's a note cube, 2 7/8, 2 7/8, but it's got nice colors. Cool. I'm liking this. I think it's at least, yeah, I think this is over $100 worth, or $50 worth for sure, because Post-its are expensive. Another 400 little note cube. Okay. Oh, these are the pop-ups, the Japure collection, 6 at 100 each. So 600 total. 4 pop-up note dispensers. I don't know if I have a pop-up note dispenser. I don't think so. Okay, so here's the Post-it pop-up notes, 10 at 90 each, so 900 total in here. Okay, I do see marble, for real. Okay, so these are the 12 100 each, so 1200 little baby squares in the World of Color Japure collection. Cool. Alright, we are down to the last few. So this is the World of Color Rio de Janeiro collection, lined 490 count pads, of course. I love lined ones. Ooh. This is the I'm gonna butcher this name, I'm sorry. Marrakesh World of Color collection, large pads that are also lined and sticky. There's 3 pads, 45 each. I'll put the title up so you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay. There are 3 of those. And there's just a couple more items left. Post-its, 2 300 count, again, lined things. Okay, I see. I'm down to the last 2 items, I believe. And I see marble. These are notes with a marble border. Oh my gosh. And it's like giant. This is huge. There's 50 sheets, 5.8 inches by 10 inches. So it's like bigger than my head. Wow. And there's 2 of them.